Struggling to get views and attract subscribers to your YouTube videos? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing 6 proven, practical strategies to boost your channel's views, grow your subscriber base, and even help your videos go viral. Stick around because number 6 is a game changer.
Section 1. Nail your thumbnail and title. First impressions count, and your thumbnail and title are the first things potential viewers see. Use high-quality images, bold fonts, and contrasting colors. Make your title intriguing. For example, instead of "How to Bake Bread," try "Bake the Perfect Bread in 30 Minutes," even if you're a beginner. Remember, your goal is to make people curious and click. Section 2. Optimize for search, SEO. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Use keywords that your audience is searching for, like subscribers, views, and viral. Add these keywords to your video title, description, and tags. Include closed captions to help YouTube understand your content better. Think of SEO as planting seeds for long-term growth. Section 3. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Those first 10 seconds? Crucial. Start with a bold statement, a question, or a quick preview of what viewers will learn. Avoid lengthy intros, get straight to the point. The quicker you hook your audience, the better chance they'll stick around. Section 4. Promote your content effectively. Don't just upload your video and hope for the best, promote it. Share clips on Instagram Reels or TikTok to tease your content. Post in relevant Facebook groups or forums. Email your subscribers if you have a mailing list. Make your content easy to discover across multiple platforms. Section 5. Consistency builds momentum. Consistency is key to building trust and an audience. Commit to a realistic upload schedule, weekly, bi-weekly, whatever works for you. Use analytics to identify when your viewers are most active and upload during those times. Remember, subscribers come back when they know when to expect new content. Section 6. Engage with your audience. Finally, treat your viewers like your community. Reply to comments and pin your favorites. Ask engaging questions in your videos and encourage viewers to comment. Use polls in the community tab to connect with your audience. When people feel valued, they'll not only subscribe but share your videos too. And there you have it, 6 proven ways to attract more views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with fellow creators. Let's grow together.